We are going to discuss about the pronoun relative sample. So by the heading you can understand this one is going to connect two sentences into a single sentence by replacing the repeated noun. How the fusion of two sentences is going to take place? That means what? We will be having two sentences. A noun from sentence 1 would be repeated in sentence 2. Based on this, a relation is made between the sentences. Now let us see the pronoun relative key. So pronoun relative key is used when a noun from sentence 1 repeats in the subject position of sentence 2. Now let us look at the example. Je connais Pierre is sentence number 1. Pierre est intelligent is sentence number 2. We observe the noun Pierre from sentence 1 is repeating in the subject position of the sentence number 2. So these two sentences could be fused using pronoun relative key. So, je connais Pierre, you write as it is. Pierre is the repeated noun. So, instead of the repeated noun Pierre, we will write the pronoun relative qui in the remaining part of the second sentence. So, je connais Pierre qui est intelligent. Remember with the pronoun relative qui, if the following word is beginning with vowel, we don't do any change, we have to write as it is. Now, so example number 2, je connais Pierre, il est intelligent. Here the noun Pierre from sentence 1 is repeating as a subject pronoun in the sentence number 2. Either noun repeats as it is as a noun or the equivalent subject pronoun. We can use pronoun relative qui. So, je connais Pierre qui est intelligent. Now, let's move towards the second pronoun relative sample, which is called as que. So, when we can connect two sentences to one, if a noun from sentence 1 repeats in the as or in the object direct position of the sentence 2. So, Pierre est intelligent, je connais Pierre. Now see the noun Pierre from sentence 1 is getting repeated as a direct object in the sentence number 2. So since the word Pierre is the repeated noun, so first we write the noun Pierre, then we have to write the pronoun relative, then the remaining part of the second sentence and the remaining part of the first sentence. Pierre est intelligent, je le connais. Here the noun Pierre is repeating as a direct object pronoun in sentence number 2. So in this case also we can connect using pronoun relative que. Now similarly we have something called as pronoun relative ou. So it deals with a noun referring a name of a place and if it is repeats after a preposition. So j'aime Pierre à Paris, elle habite à Paris. So the noun Paris which refers a place is repeating in sentence number 2 after preposition à. So j'aime Paris où elle habite. So instead of the noun à Paris, we are using pronoun relative où. Then c'était un vendredi and also pronoun relative où deals with time. So c'était un vendredi, il est né le vendredi. The noun vendredi repeats, which refers a time is repeating. So c'était un vendredi où il est né. So as at present, these three pronoun relative sample is explained. Hope you have understood it. We have also called pronoun relative dont. So if a noun from sentence 1 repeats after the preposition the in sentence 2, and the should be connected with the verb. Now, for example, c'est un bon film, il parle de ce film. Now, see, the pronoun the is connected with the verb parle. So, it is c'est un bon film dont il parle. Then, je connais Pierre, son père est pilote. When you write directly the sentence, we can see that there seems to be no connection between these two sentences. But look, the word son père, which refers to the father of Pierre. So son père can be written as le père de Pierre. So the noun Pierre is getting repeated after preposition the in sentence 2. Though again we can use pronoun relative dont to connect to these sentences. And il y a des oiseaux, elle en prend. Here this also has repeated with the pronoun en. So in this also situation we can use pronoun relative sample dont. So it's a quick explanation given. You can refer this document and hope it will serve your purpose. Thank you very much. Bonne chance. Merci.